Hi and welcome to our channel, and thank you for joining us in today's video. We're here to discuss why we believe that Big Pharma does not care about our health. From skyrocketing prices on medicines and treatments to questionable research practices, it seems like the pharmaceutical companies are more interested in profits than helping people. So let's dive in and get to the bottom of this issue. Are big pharma companies really out for our well-being, or is there something more sinister going on behind the scenes? Let's find out. It's no secret that pharmaceutical companies are raking in billions of dollars yearly, but what isn't as widely known is how much these companies are actually profiting from the medications they produce, and how little consideration they have for the health and well-being of their customers. A new study from AHIP shows that drug manufacturers earned, on average, $18.6 billion in total global revenues for a new drug, 10 times more than the cost of development. Furthermore, Americans are paying a disproportionately high percentage of those revenues despite making up only 4% of the world's population. The healthcare system has failed to provide alternatives to the opioid crisis, as private insurers are more likely to pay for addicting drugs than for natural, effective treatments. We must raise awareness of this issue and work together to create a safe and healthy environment for all. It's time to take back control of our health and well-being. The effects of Big Pharma's disregard for our health can be seen in the ever-increasing number of opioid overdose deaths and limited access to alternative treatments. The financial interests of these pharmaceutical companies are prioritized over public health, with private insurers more likely to pay for their product than for natural, safe alternatives. This results in fewer choices for pain management and higher risks of addiction and overdose. Furthermore, the lack of insurance coverage for holistic health practitioners prevents them providing adequate time for each client, potentially limiting their effectiveness in treating ailments. Ultimately, Big Pharma's actions have a damaging and far-reaching impact on our health. It seems that Big Pharma prioritizes making a profit and cares less about the well-being of customers. So it's up to us to take our health into our own hands and seek out safer, more sustainable alternatives. By taking responsibility for our own health, we can ensure that Big Pharma doesn't continue to influence the well-being of ourselves and future generations. What do you think of Big Pharma and the way they want to make profit? Do you think they think about people's health? Let us know in the comments. Big Pharma is notorious for putting profits over people's health, with little regard for the safety of their products or their effects on consumers. To keep yourself safe from Big Pharma's potentially harmful practices, here are a few safety measures to consider. 1. Research the medical company behind the product. Do your due diligence and research the company behind any medication you take or the medical device you use. Make sure they have a good track record and are following standard safety protocols before taking any kind of medication or using any medical device. 2. Ask questions about ingredients and side effects. Many medications contain ingredients that can be dangerous if not taken as prescribed. Don't be afraid to ask questions about what's in it, how it works, and what potential side effects it may have. 3. Seek out natural solutions. Before turning to pharmaceuticals, investigate the natural solutions available to you. Talk with a qualified practitioner of alternative medicine, such as a naturopath or homeopath, who can suggest safe and effective treatments that work in harmony with your body's own healing processes. 4. Exercise caution when taking prescription drugs. If you do take a prescription drug, always read the label carefully and talk to your doctor about possible interactions with other medications you're taking or any health conditions you may have. Be sure to follow the dosage instructions exactly as prescribed and never use someone else's prescription drugs without consulting with a professional first. 5. Know your rights. Don't be afraid to stand up for your rights. If you feel that a particular drug or medical device is not safe, speak out and file a complaint with the appropriate government agencies. By taking these steps, you can make sure that Big Pharma is not putting your health in jeopardy. Remember, your health and well-being should always come first. If you found this content interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this one. Thanks for watching.